Okay, this is the latest payment from the system that we received. Okay, let us continue. Who should watch this video? The method that we will share is suitable for anyone who wants to make money online from zero, and also suitable for the YouTuber with less than 4,000 hours watching time and less than 1,000 subscribers. And also for YouTuber who is unable to monetize their channel using YouTube partner program due to any reasons. Also suitable for anyone who wants to work from home and anyone who want to earn extra income. Without further ado, let us see the details.